Sometimes I feel so overwhelmed by life's demands. I'm sure you can relate. And times like that, I just need to break away from my routine and just take a moment and take a breath. Nature is changing now from summer to autumn, and autumn is a great indicator that we need to slow down. And unfortunately in our lives, there is no autumn when it comes to work. So in this session, slow down and embrace your body this autumn. We're going to start by lying down on the back. You might need a strap, so just grab a belt or a scarf from your cupboard and let's lie down. And inhale, we're lifting the right leg as high as you can. Keep both legs straight. As you inhale, flex the right foot and exhale, point the right foot. We're going to do that 10 times. Don't rush. There is no rushing. Feel the stretch in the back of the leg as you flex. Feel the stretch in the front of the leg as you point. All your awareness on the flexing and the pointing. Just make sure the leg is straight. If you can't lift it this high, it's okay. If you have it here, flexed, point. Just go as high as you can, keeping the leg straight. Now we're going to open the hip. You're going to get hold of the right toe. If you can't get hold of it, take your strap or your belt, place it around the foot, get hold of it as close as you can. Your left hand on the left hip, and we're just going to keep the leg straight and drop it to the right as far as you can, but don't let the left hip lift. And we hold it here, opening the right hip. If you feel like you're falling this side, you can even throw this hand aside to help you with your balance. Feel the stretch into your leg and your groin area and the hip. And inhale, use your core and lift it back up. Release and slowly bring the leg back down. And we're going to go to the other side. Left leg, keep it straight as high as you can. Inhale, flex. Exhale, point. 10 times. When you've done your 10, take your strap around or get hold of the big toe, right hand on the right hip, and we drop it to the side. Try not to let the right hip lift, and we hold it. And bring the leg back up, release and lower the leg slowly. Take a deep breath into your tummy and sigh it out through the mouth. As you sigh out, relax your shoulders, relax your back, your legs. And we're going to roll over onto the tummy. Once you're on the tummy, we're going to stretch into the legs, arms next to the body. You can have your chin on the floor or the forehead, and we're going to keep the legs together, and we're going to lift the right foot up and bring it as close as we can to the buttocks, like this. Get hold of it with one hand or both and bring the heel to the buttocks. Now the trick here is this part, your groin area, must not lift up. You must keep the groin area flat on the floor. You'll feel if you're very tight, as soon as you bend the leg, this is going to happen with your pelvis. Keep it down. If you can't reach, grab your strap around the foot and you are here, and we hold it. Knees are together if you can. And we're going to release. So release your strap and lower the foot. And we're going to go to the other side. Bend the left knee. Get hold of it, one hand or both. Hold it. Focus on your breath and the stretch. Exhale, slowly let go. And now we're going to do both legs. Try to keep the knees together. Groin area flushed with the floor. Bend both. Get hold of each foot. And we hold it. And exhale, slowly let go. Watch out for hamstrings cramps when you do this one. And we're going to go into crocodile. So just bring your elbows under your chin. I'm going to turn so you guys can see me better. So the elbows under the chin in the palms or the knuckles if you have a long neck. And the shoulders are down. And we hold it. Buttocks is relaxed. All your awareness on the body and the breath. Don't think about what you're going to do for dinner or the emails you have to answer. Be here now. Inhale. Bring your arms down and we slide into Ardhvasana, forehead on the floor. Relax the legs, the shoulders, the back. Inhale, lift your head, and we're going to go into pigeon. So bring your hands next to the chest, and we're going to press up into plank. Press into the knees and hands. You please use your core and come into a box, and then into plank. Just for the transition, left knee comes to the front, to the left wrist. Bring your left foot as high as you can. Slide back with the back leg. You can stay here, otherwise see if you can come onto the elbows or even all the way down onto the chest. Lift your head. We're going to change legs. First come onto the hands under the shoulders if you're not up, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, and release your left leg back into plank, and then bring the right knee forward to the right wrist, foot as high as you can, slide back, keep the hips equal, so don't lean to one side, and come down as much as you can. Try to do the same as you did on the other side. Inhale, lift your head, bring the hands back under the shoulders, and we're going to go into box, tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, release the right leg, and then bring your knees down to the floor. Make sure your knees are under the hips, wrists are under the shoulders. We're going to do cat stretch. As you inhale, press your belly to the floor, bum up, head up. Pause for a second, and then exhale, round the back, suck the tummy in, look in between the legs. And 4 more. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going. Very good. And come to neutral spine. And we're going to go into Vajrasana. Bring your knees together, toes together, and we sit in between the heels. If you struggle to sit like this, I have a video that shows you exactly what to do. I will leave the link below. And we bring our hands onto the thighs with the palms facing up. Relax your shoulders, neutral spine, so the spine is not arched or round, just neutral. And softly close your eyes and feel all your awareness on feeling. Relax your face, relax your shoulders. And take a deep breath in and deliberately sigh it out. Slowly open your eyes. And we're going to slide down onto the buttocks. Release your hands and just slide to the side onto the buttocks. And just sit comfortably cross-legged. And we're going to work into the sides of the body. Take your left hand to the floor. Keep the sitting bones on the floor. Exhale, bend to the left. Take your right arm over the head and hold it. Feel the stretch into the ribs and the hips. Inhale, slowly come up, immediately go to the other side. Right hand to the floor, left arm comes over. Stretch out of the left hip. The head is relaxed. Inhale, slowly come back up. Well done. We're going to twist. Inhale, straighten your back. Exhale, twist to the right, left hand to the right knee, right hand to the floor at the back, and look as far back as you can. Inhale, bring your chin to the chest, unwind. Once you're in the front, lift the head straight back. Exhale to the other side, right hand to left knee. Look as far back as you can. Inhale, chin to chest, unwind and relax. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Slowly open your eyes. Tip of the day. It's a quote. There is something so special in the early leaves drifting from the trees, as if we are all to be allowed a chance to peel, to refresh, to start again. And it is from Ruth Ahmed, not sure how to pronounce that. And that is the tip. So basically, don't forget to take time, to take a breath, and to let go. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, my name is Al. I'm from yogagangia.com. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoy this, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Hari Om. Tat Sat.